Hey everyone! Today I'm walking you through how to use TradingView, one of the best platforms for charting and analyzing financial markets. Whether you're a beginner or more advanced, this tutorial will get you comfortable navigating and using key features. When you first visit TradingView, you'll see their homepage. If you don't have an account yet, click the Get Started button to sign up. You can use my referral link for a free account, and if you upgrade later, you even get $15 off. When creating your account, you'll choose a plan. TradingView offers free, Pro, Pro Plus, and Premium tiers. For beginners, the free plan works fine, but if you want more advanced features, Pro Plus is a great middle ground. Once logged in, to open a new price chart, go to the Products menu at the top and select Super. This brings up a default chart, usually for something like the S&P 500. TradingView charts are full of features. By default, you'll see candlesticks representing weekly price movements, but you can customize this dot to analyze a specific asset. Just use the search bar at the top. Type in anything you want, like Bitcoin or gold, and you'll see price feeds from multiple exchanges. Next, set your chart's time frame. If you're a short-term trader, pick minute or hourly intervals. For longer-term investing, daily or weekly candles work better. Just click the time frame drop-down to select. You can also change the chart type. TradingView offers candlesticks, line charts, Heikin-Ashi, and more. If you're unsure, regular candlesticks are a good place to start. They work well for most. Strategies, indicators are powerful tools on TradingView. You can add all kinds of indicators by clicking the Indicators button. Some favorites I use include Bollinger Bands, moving averages, and the RSI dot to customize how your chart looks. Click the gear icon for settings. Here you can change candle colors, styles, and even set your trading time zone after customizing. Save your settings as a template so you don't have to repeat the process, and that's the basic rundown. TradingView is packed with tools to help you analyze markets effectively. If you want a PDF guide with screenshots of everything I covered, drop your email in the description or comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more trading tutorials and leave a comment if you have any questions. Happy trading!